Namaskar. Did you know that many people today are overfed but still undernourished? In fact, studies also show that even after eating enough calorie, the body can continue sending hunger and craving signals if it lacks proper nutrients. A phenomenon widely known as hidden hunger in modern nutritional science. Now, this is important to understand because if left uncorrected, hidden hunger triggers frustrating cycle of constant food craving, sudden energy crashing, poor digestion, low stamina, and persistent mental fatigue. So today I want to introduce you to one simple ingredient that nourishes the body in a very balanced and grounding way. I am talking about quinoa, and towards the end I will also share a unique Sattvik quinoa recipe that is light on digestion, deeply nourishing, and beautifully calming for the nervous system. Many people think quinoa is just another trending health food, but what makes quinoa to be special is how complete its nourishment is. In fact, quinoa is one of the very few plant food that naturally contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's power packed with complete protein for muscular strength and cellular recovery, dietary fiber to support food digestion, iron to boost daily energy level, potassium to maintain internal fluid balance, and magnesium to soothe the nervous system. So instead of only filling the stomach temporarily, quinoa nourishes multiple systems in the body together. And today let me explain what may happen when you include quinoa regularly for 14 days. The first benefit is more stable energy. So many of you nowadays depend on tea, coffee, sugar, or processed snack just to keep functioning throughout the day. But we create temporary stimulation followed by sudden energy crash. Quinoa works very differently because it contains both protein and fibers together. It releases energy slowly and gradually into the body. So when you eat quinoa regularly for 14 days, many people notice that their energy feels more balanced and sustained throughout the day. Second benefit is reduced craving and emotional eating. One reason people overeat today is because meals do not satisfy body deeply. The body keeps searching for nourishment. So cravings continue even after eating. But quinoa creates satiety naturally because of its protein, fiber, and mineral profile. Many people feel fuller for longer and experience fewer unnecessary cravings. The third benefit is better digestion and reduced heaviness. Many people today complain of bloating, sluggish digestion, or feeling sleepy after meal. This happens because digestion becomes weak from stress, irregular eating habits, overeating, and eating highly processed food. Quinoa is lighter and easier to digest compared to more heavily refined food. Its fibers support bowel movement and digestive balance naturally. And when digestion improves, entire body starts feeling lighter. Fourth benefit is better muscle support and emotional balance. Quinoa contains magnesium, which plays a very important role in calming the nervous system and supporting muscle relaxation. Today, many people live in constant state of nervous system overload because of stress, poor sleep, excessive stimulation, and emotional exhaustion. But when the body receives proper nourishment consistently, the mind also starts feeling calmer and more balanced. Along with this, practice Yogendra Anulom Vilom daily for a few minutes because proper breathing supports nervous system balance and energy flow beautifully. But remember, no food works magically overnight. Health is created through consistent small daily habits every day. And now, as promised, let me share one very unique Sattvik quinoa preparation. This recipe is grounding, nourishing, easy to digest, and beautifully calming for the body. Take half a cup cooked quinoa, one small steamed sweet potato, few pieces of lightly steamed pumpkin, little grated fresh coconut, few soaked raisins, and 1 teaspoon cow ghee. Now add a pinch of roasted cumin powder, little black pepper, and fresh coriander leaf. Mix everything gently while still warm and shape into tikkis. Then put a teaspoon of desi cow ghee and slightly fry these tikkis. Now understand why this recipe is so beautiful. Quinoa provides sustained nourishment and plant protein, while sweet potato and pumpkin creates grounding energy and digestive comfort. On the other hand, fresh coconut helps food and nourish the body gently, and ghee supports digestion and absorption according to Ayurveda. This meal nourishes the body very deeply while still remaining light and sattvic in nature. And after eating, sit quietly for a few minutes. Do not immediately scroll on your phone or rush into activities, because peacefully eating also affects digestive system. And always remember this: the body does not become healthy through extreme diet or temporary discipline. It becomes healthy through simple nourishing habits practiced consistently with awareness. So try including quinoa mindfully for 14 days and quietly observe how your body responds. Namaskar.